How to send money from Chime to Cash app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Cash app, then go to your profile at the top right hand side corner. Then scroll down and you will be able to find the option of link banks. Just simply click on it. Then select the option of link debit card. After that, provide the debit card number of your Chime and other details like the CVV and zip code. Then click on this option of link card. This way you would be able to link your Chime to Cash app. Now go to your home section of Cash app and over there you will be able to find the option of add money. Just simply type the amount that you want to add and click on add money. This way you would be able to add money or send money from Chime to Cash app, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.